Hello Flavor Gang, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making a buttery melt in your mouth treat. This is not imported, it is not store-bought. This is the ultimate world-class shortbread biscuit. Shortbread is very easy to make. Just three key ingredients: margarine, sugar, and flour, or replace the margarine with butter. And then I like to be a little bit extra. I added some ounce of vanilla essence. Now I shoot my margarine just to be a little bit extra as usual. This is just to give it a firmer dough and a smoother biscuit, and it's completely optional. So don't say that because I don't have a freezer to shield my cookies, I wouldn't do it. Mix the sugar and margarine until you get something smooth, then introduce the flour. Sieve the flour so you can aerate the texture, and then mix it until you get something smooth. You don't need the dough. You're not aiming for a bread dough, we are doing a cookie dough, and the lesser you work on the dough, the better for the cookies. So just mix everything to come together. I added some corn flour, and this is to also help the dough to have that firmness you grab, and it adds to the milkiness of the dough as well. And then I went in with the vanilla. Now, vanilla is completely optional, like I said earlier, but you really want your dough to have that marvelous flavor and scent. So to add it into the dough and then bring everything to mix together. If your spatula can do the job well, then go in with your hand, just like I did. So to cut out the dough, you could roll it in a flat surface, or you could just roll on a mat like this, or on top of parchment paper. So because I have this mat, I'm going to roll it out on this mat very thick. After rolling it out, you can decide to cut and then line in a baking tray and bake. Because I want to be a little bit extra, I decided to put this in a casserole dish and chill it for a while before cutting. Like I said earlier, this is completely optional. You don't have to do it. So gently, since I've gotten the width I wanted for the dough, I placed it in the casserole dish. Made sure that everything is at the same level by using my hand to press out down the edges, just to make sure that everything is well lapped. And when I cut my cookies, I'm going to get the same shape and the same depth. Cutting the cookies, I went with the classic finger shapes. I pretty much eyeball this. So because I've shaped the dough, it's a lot more firmer. I just traced out the lines, cut it out, and then used the fork to give it that classic pokes that you see in almost all the butter cookies. It is that simple, guys. Into the oven, they went on low heat for approximately 20 minutes. Remember, shortbread is not supposed to be brown like puff puff, just a light golden touch at the edges. And now, flavor gang, behold my world class butter cookies. But then, mid baking, there was a tiny accident. Some shapes got destroyed, and instead of in neat rectangles, if it came out looking like an abstract. Did it pay me? Yes, a little. Did it stop the taste from being top tier? Not at all. Because whether it is square, circle, or looking like an African map, this shortbread cookie is still like Michelin star level. If you enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Tell me how extra yours turned out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because here in the Flavor Gang Kitchen, every recipe is worth. See you guys in my next video. Bye!